we are very looking forward to the Chinese New Year. Well, we know a little bit about it, but of course we would like to learn more. For example, we know that a lot of events are going on and maybe fireworks, and that all families have like small traditions to give I think a red envelope and then with money to give to bring good luck, and that every year there is another they celebrate another year of an animal, and this year it will be the year of the horse. We hope to see like a lot of the traditions. We also contacted our host, and she will help us and explain where we can go, what we can see in the neighborhoods.
Last year I was lucky enough to spend Chinese Spring Festival in Hailin. Memorable experience for me. People were pleasurable, really interesting, fantastic time. And most remember on the night, fireworks, all day long fireworks. May I wish a Happy New Year and a prosperous 2026 to all Chinese people for next year.